Lightning is simply electricity. The cloud is angry, yes, making storm. All the electrons are saying, I am leaving you. I go to the land of opportunity. The ground says, yes, we need electrons trained in science, just like you. Come, come, welcome. So both sides start to build a ladder. This man, he comes out to look at the storm. He does not see the invisible ladders. When the two ladders meet, boom! The circuit is complete, and all of the electrons rush to the land of opportunity. This man is in the way! Ah!
He was a great dog, a great friend.
The best dog a kid could have.
When you lose someone you love, they never really leave you. They just move into a special place in your heart.
I don't want him in my heart. I want him here with me.
I know. If we could bring him back, we would.
I'm sorry, boy.
Sparky! I can't believe it!
Your dog is alive!
Sparky, shh. Easy, boy. I can fix that.
He was a great dog.
The best dog a kid could have.
For this broken-hearted boy, weighed down by memories of a best friend.
When you lose someone you love, they move into a special place in your heart.
I just want him here with me.
If we could bring him back, we would.
No step into the mysterious unknown is too daring to bring back what was lost.
Sparky! I can't believe it!
But nothing this shocking can be kept secret forever.
Your dog is alive!
We can do better, bigger.
Children, you must be careful.
Something big is gonna happen.
How do you know?
Because Mr. Whiskers left a message.
Did you get that out of the litter box?
Rise, Colossus, from your tomb!
It's working!
Mr. Whiskers?
Victor, I need your help.
I asked him first!
My problem bigger.
Yeah, he's right.
Frankenweenie in the spectacular, spellbinding Third Dimension.